guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to get back missing language icon on your Windows 11 taskbar. So as you can see guys, language icon in my PC also not showing. So just now I am going to restore it. So for this guys, first you need to open your Windows settings. In the Windows settings guys, in the left panel you can get the option time and language. Just click and open it. Okay, and in the right panel you need to open typing option like this, and here scroll down, you need to find out advanced keyboard settings. Just open it, and here guys, just you need to uncheck this box, use the desktop language bar when it's available. Just you need to uncheck this option. That's it. Now you will get your language icon back on your taskbar, as you can see guys. So this is the easy and very simple method to fix this issue. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoyed. So if you enjoyed, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.